Hello there, family, friends. If you're from across the world, Joey Jones is back on the road. But first, let me say, summer has finally arrived. It's hot out here. It's about 102 degrees out here, and always keep yourself. You know, I always have my cooler and keep hydrated. Yep, keep hydrated. And right now, we're just taking a little trip here, and we're at Smyrna, Wilmington, Delaware, and we're visiting Walmart. I did a dedicated Walmart, and we're just back at Walmart. This is the Walmart DC. I don't know if you've been here before at Smyrna. So Walmart has a lot of distributing centers and across the entire U.S., Puerto Rico, and they of course Walmart is Walmart. Walmart is one of my first favorite stores. Of course, you know, save up money, and it's a good place to be at for your, you know, for your budget, low budget. And Walmart, dedicated Walmart. I did dedicated Walmart for Swift, and CR England doesn't have dedicated Walmart. But yes, CR England has deliveries to Walmart by appointments only. And I did a Walmart dedicated driving for Swift, and I was home every 6 days. I was home, and I did a 34-hour reset. And many of you have the opportunity to have that option, you know. But home daily, yes, you can for Walmart if you apply for Walmart. But then, of course, you have to have at least a year experience. If you want to work for Walmart and you're going to be driving their trucks, which is that they also have Freightliners with sleepers, but sometimes you can have the option to get a day cab. See, like that there, that's a Freightliner. Yeah, that's a 2018 Freightliner, and good truck, double beds. And this right here, I have to come here pick up a load. And again, man, this is awesome. It's a blessing. I am my own boss. You know, I have my own starting schedule. Thank God, because I'm home every night. And it's a blessing. And again, many of you drivers are, and I'm happy for you guys. You guys are have the permits or have the CDLs already. Getting ready to start your career with whoever you decided to go to. Thanks for subscribing, of course, and blessings to all my viewers, my subscribers. And I'm just having a great time driving. I know I'm not supposed to be driving with one hand, but we're on a lot, you know, we're on a big lot. As you can see, there's no traffic. I first made sure there was no traffic, you know, before I even decided to do this. So yes, my peoples, thanks for watching. Many of you want to know more. If you could subscribe to my channel, you can see a lot of videos that I've done from the start, when I started CR England, how I did, how it was, what did you have to do. Many of you say how much money you need to start the school. Well, many of these schools, they pay your lunch, you know, and the hotel, transportation. All you need is money for your food, you know, and how much you consume, and of course, if every state you go to, and every state you go to study for your CDL, they all have a Walmart. So if you have the opportunity to drive, then you can always go to Google and ask Google, where can you find a Walmart to get, you know, your food, your snacks, and your everything you consume. And again, one more time, you guys are the best. You guys mean a lot to me, and I'm so happy because I get a lot of people that pass the CDLs, and a lot of people that said, Joey Jones, your pre-trip videos are awesome. They use my pre-trip videos. Yeah, look into my channel, look into my videos, and it can be done, man. It can be done. Next thing you know, you got your own truck. You know, I don't have nobody on the side of me. The only thing that I have right now is just Qualcomm we communicate with that. Right there, you will know. See, like that there will pretty much they will say everything, like my load, destination, and see everything is there. That's my load, and that's where I am. 4860 Wheatley Pond Road, Smyrna, DE, which is Delaware. Yeah, and those are the directions. And of course, if you go to
Messaging.
navigation has navigation. It's pretty decent. Yeah, and then where you dispatch to. See, I'm going to. Those are the places where I'm going to. Norfolk Rail. That's where I'm going next. You know, but I gotta keep an eye on my clock here, which I have 3 hours and 19 minutes left before I take a 30-minute break. And once I get a 30-minute break, it'll give me another extra 6 hours, which is a 14-hour clock period. But you can only drive 11 hours. Okay, peoples. Any questions, you can email me at dronesarewearingsky@gmail.com. I'm gonna have it down below. So thanks for watching. Be safe. God bless you all. Don't forget to fly safe, be safe, drive safe. I love y'all. God bless y'all. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.